about, so the agenda, you all can hear me? Yes, the agenda is revision. Before I go on, term test 1. How many questions? 3 questions. Okay, 3 questions, each at 10 marks. So it's 30 marks. Okay. Questions will be from the notes, example. So you need to know you guys did 2Q with me, yes or no? Right? Will be from the notes, example, and homework 01 and homework 02. Okay. Now for homework 02, note homework 02, do not do or do not attempt I think it was question number 4. Okay, do not attempt question number 4. Let me check. Okay, question number 4, I've not taught yet. Hold on, let me check. Wait, I might have got the wrong question. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not question number 4. Question number 5. Sorry. Okay, so do not try question number 5. Okay, do not attempt question number 5. Are we clear? Yes. Yes. Thank you. If question number 5 comes out, engage a lawyer and sue me, I understand. Okay. And the term test is 2 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. I have posted the formula sheet. Yes, you've seen the formula sheet. Okay. Don't try to guess what question will come out. Forget it. Okay. So random. Okay. Right. Yes. Huh? I thought we spoke about that. Was 25, 25, 10 for your assignment and the rest, no, not 25, 30, 30, 10, 30, right? Right, remember? Okay. So look at your course outline. Did I change on your course outline? Let's be sure. I thought we talked about it, right? Or no? Can you recall? And I listened to you, all right? Wait, let's check. I spoke to you, spoke to me. Hey, what software is this? Wrong software. I can check all your grades on that software, okay? So I think we spoke about it and we agreed to it. Welcome module, course outline. I thought we spoke about it. Did we change or no? Right, 10, 50, 40, yes or no? Right? So this is what we agree upon, yes or no? Okay, so, hey, you okay? Right. Then I want to talk to you more. So students getting between, I think between 25, this is your grade, and 49, you are allowed to do corrections. Let's say you did not make it. Okay, it's a bad day. You forgot something. I will allow you to do corrections. Okay, so the correction will be held on February 13. Yes. Okay, then we do it on February 14. Huh? You think you will fail? Don't fail. Okay. Those who fail, okay, between 25 to 49, your correction will be held on February 14. Now, this correction, okay, listen, this correction, in order to get 50 out of 100 grade, you need to score 100% for the correction. So what does this correction means? The best grade you can get is what? 50. But in order to get 50, you have to get everything right. Are we clear? That is why it's called correction. What's the moral of the story? Don't go there. Right? Try to pass the first time you can. But I can understand sometimes poop happen. Okay, I can totally understand that. Are we clear? Okay, so for the correction, you do the exact same question. Are we clear? Okay, you do the exact same question and you pass. What have you heard about this course? I don't bell curve. You help yourself. Are you clear? There are not a lot of courses that allow you to do correction, right? Allow you to do correction. Any questions regarding the correction? Okay, don't go to the correction. It's tough. Okay, try to pass the first time. Are we clear? Okay, why some of you will say why the best grade is 50? Because it's not fair for others that passed the first time they got 51. Are we clear? Okay, that's why I limit to the 50. You have to learn the content. Right. Any question? Yes. It's already there, right? You're asking things that is scaring me, okay? Can you see the solution, yes or no? Okay. And I also have posted the solution for homework too. So to help you study better. Not done homework too yet. Shit. Right? I knew it. Okay. It's okay. I know. I was a student once. When I was a student, God gave me 24 hours. I worked 48 hours. I'm just kidding. Okay, now let's do some revision. And hopefully this will help you all do your homework, or not so much of a revision. I'm going to more or less write summary sheet for all of you. Okay, and I've tested out this summary sheet. So the first thing we're going to focus is on centric buckling. Okay, we're going to focus on centric buckling. And there are two formulas that are critical. So the first formula based on critical load, this is equal to pi squared EI over LE squared. Okay. Now the E does not mean eccentricity, it's the equivalent length. Okay. And this is our equation number 1. The next equation that you should know is stress critical is equal to pi squared EI over LE squared divided by A. Okay. So equation number 2 sometimes can be written as what? So note, so from equation number 2, note that we have I is equal to AR squared. So we can have I over A is equal to r squared. Okay, so r over here, as you all know, is our radius of gyration. Wait, pen don't want to listen to me. Is our radius of gyration. So this can also be equal to pi squared E over L over R squared. Okay, so the same thing. So you realize that both equation 1 and 2 are dependent on the what is it dependent on? The geometry. Okay, so geometry over here, it means the length, and I'll write in English. Okay, it means in length and cross sectional area. Okay, and then it's also dependent on geometry. It's also depend on material properties. Over here, you're talking about Young's modulus, and it's also dependent on end conditions. Okay. You can sit down and just watch. I will post this on Avenue to learn the second this class finish. Okay, you just want to listen, be fine enough. Okay. Now, the thing to watch for, okay, always is a problem. Okay, let's talk about the issues first. Okay, let's talk about end conditions. Okay, so the end condition, some of you got it very clear. Some of you got it very confused. Daniel is at a different level, ultra clear. There is start drawing diagrams for me to watch. I will not share those diagrams, okay? So we will look at all these conditions first, okay? Let's do a quick revision on this condition. And they are not difficult at all, okay? I think I should shut up and say it's not difficult. I should treat it like this is the first time you're looking at it. To look at all these conditions, the most important thing are the what? Are the moments. Okay, the most critical part are the moments, and also the most critical part is you have to look at the what? The deformation pattern. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Right, the first one. At point B, I repeat again, when it's fixed, okay, so this end is what we call fixed. Moment is not equal to 0. Okay. The other end at point A is known as free, and you can see the moment is equal to what? 0. A good thing to identify when moment is equal to 0 is the what? Is the slope. Hey, how did I do that? Interesting. Right? So you see down here, right? The slope, right? The slope or the slope is equal to 0. Over here, right? If I draw a vertical line down here, you have a slope known as what? Theta. When there's a slope, moment is equal to what? 0. Be clear. So over here at point A, okay, at point A, we also call point A as what? Unconstrained. Okay. So when you see the word unconstrained, you know what it means. Are we clear? Okay. So now let's look at point B now. Okay. So point B, we have pin. On one end, we have pin on the other end. Again, you can see that moment is equal to what? Moment is equal to 0. At point A, what we realize is the constraint